Okay children.
Moving on to the next question. Match the following. See, list, we are having two lists here. First one is 567 plus 78. Let us add these two. 567 plus 78. 7 plus 8 becomes 15. 6 plus 7 becomes 13 plus 1 becomes 14. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So 645 is our answer. Yes, for A, 645 is our answer. Now from these given numbers, from these given list, we should find out, from list 2 we should find out by adding which two numbers will we get 645. Now how can we do this children? Again we have two ways. First one is, let us look at the options. Option A says A can be 1. So A can be equal to 1. Now look at A and look at 1. See, look, if you look at 1, 210 plus 154. What will the answer be? 4, 6, 3. 364. Is it the correct answer? No. So option A is wrong. Moving on to option B. They are saying A can be equal to 4. Now look at option number 4. 345 plus 300. Yes, when we add these two, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. What answer did we get? We got the same answer, right? We got 645 as our answer. So what can we say? Option A is equals to 4. Yes, we can say that A is equals to 4. So from the given options, look at the given options. In which option is A equal to 4? In option B and option D, right? In option B and option D, we have A is equals to 4. So option A and C are obviously wrong. Why? Because here A is equals to 1 and here A is equals to 2. So we know that A and C are wrong, as we know that A is equals to 4. Now there cannot be two correct answers, right? So from these two we have to find out the correct answer. Now moving on to B. 134 plus 230. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 364. Now look at option B. Again, why are we not looking at option A, children? In option A, it is saying that A is equals to 1. We know that A is equals to 4. So this is the wrong option. That is why we are going for only B and D. B is equals to 1. Now let us solve 1. Again 210 plus 154. 0 plus 1 4. 1 plus 5 6. 2 plus 1 3. We got the correct answer, right? So option B is equals to 1. Now if you look at option B and D, in this only B is saying that B is equals to 1. So what can we say, children? Which is the correct answer here? Which is the correct option? Is it A, B, C or D? Option B. Yes, option B is the correct answer, because A is equals to 4 is correct and B is equals to 1 is also correct, and it is the only option which has these correct options. Yes, we need not check these two, but again if you want you can solve and check whether these two are correct or not. Okay, now this was one method. Yes, what is the another way of solving this? We first, it is, if you are not okay with this method which I explained just now, children, another method is solve each of it and write the answers. We solved A just now, right? 645, and B also we solved just now, 364. Now D becomes 702 and option C becomes 776. Okay. Now again for list 2 also write the answers here. This becomes 364. This becomes 776. 3 becomes 702. 4 becomes 645. Yes, 645. Now you have all the answers here. You just simply cross check. Here A is 645, 4 is 645. So A is equals to 4. Now B is 364 and 1 is 364. So B is equals to 1. C is 776. 2 is also 776. So C is equal to 2. D is 702 and 3 is 702. So D is equals to 3. Okay children, now this is another way of solving this question. Write all the answers and then cross check which number in which option in list A is equal to the option in list C. Now what is the correct option here children? Option B. A4, B1, C2 and D is equals to 3. Moving on to the next question. The Venn diagram below shows the number of students who voted for their favorite sport. How many students voted in all? Now see, this is very simple. Option A 8 students, B 9 students, C 7, D 6 students. Now you are seeing few names inside this diagram, right? Yes, now simply count the number of names and we'll get the number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many students are there children? 9 students. So the correct answer is option B, 9 students. Very easy, right? Just we counted the number of total students in this diagram here. We got the answer as option B. Option B, 9 students. Moving on to the next question. Which numbers complete the pattern? 4 plus 5 is equals to 40 plus 50 is equals to 40. See children, this is very easy, right? This is just simply oral addition. We know that 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Yes, 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Now what is 40 plus 50 equals to? We have 1 0. So we'll have 1 0 and we know 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. It becomes 90. Now again here we have 2 zeros each. So we'll put 2 zeros here. 4 plus 5 becomes 9. The answer becomes 900. Now here again 3 zeros. So we are putting up 3 zeros. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Yes children, this is very easy, right? This is we are using oral addition to add these numbers. Now look at the options. The correct answer here is 9, 90, 900 and 9000. Yes children. Now look at the options and which is the correct one here? 9, 90, 900 and 9000. Yes, option A, 9, 90, 900 and 9000. Understood, right? Yes, it is the correct answer. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. See, first question is 5746 plus 2222 is same as 3984 plus 3984. Now how to solve this? There is only one way to solve this, that is add both the numbers and see whether their sums are equal. Now first adding this 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 2 6, 9 and 7. Now here 8, 6, 1 carried. This becomes 19 and this is 7. So yes, right, the sums are same here. So we know that option A, statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Both the sums are equal. So statement 1 is true. Moving on to next statement. If we add 777 to 7771, we'll get 8554. Let us check. 7 plus 7 14, 1 carried. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 7 15, 1 carried. Now 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 7 becomes 15. 1 plus 7 becomes 8. 8554. Even in the statement they are saying the same, right? If we add 777 to 7777, we will get 8554. So it is also true. Now if you look at the options, the first two statements should be true, right? If you look at the options, only option A has two truths here. 1 and 2 statements are true only in option A. So simply, even without solving these two statements, we can say that option A is the correct answer. What is the correct answer, children? Option A is the correct answer. Again, if you are not satisfied, let me solve statement number 3 also. If we add 89 to 6789 will get 6879. Let us see. 9 plus 9 becomes 18, 1 carried, 8 plus 9 7, sorry 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17, 1 plus 7 8 and 6 is the same here, 6878. Now what did they say here? They said that we'll get 6879, but we got 78. So it is false. See again in option number A, true, false, right? So simply even without solving statement 4, we can say that option A here is the correct answer. Okay children? Okay. Moving on to the next question. The table shows the number of stickers collected by 4 friends. How many stickers do Asha and Ricky have in all? Asha and Ricky. 200 and how do we find out the total number of stickers? By adding it. Yes, so 235 plus 167. 235 Asha, 167 Ricky. Now when we add these two, 5 plus 7 becomes 12. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So what is the correct answer children? Option A 412. Asha and Ricky have 402. Sorry, Asha and Ricky have 402 stickers with them. Clear students? Yes, it was a question of simple addition. Now again this question is also the same. The cost of food of a reputed hotel in the city are as follows. Cody placed order for 1 rice plate, 1 plate of green vegetables and 1 cup of curd. How much did Cody pay? See, only these 3 items he ordered. Now how much did he pay? How will we find out? By adding 230 plus 175 plus 35. Now coming to the ones place, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 here 1 carried, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 3 14, again 1 carried. Now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So the correct answer is 440 rupees. How much did he pay? Option A 440 rupees. How did we find out? We found out by adding the cost of the items. Yes? Yes. Next question. Lena put these soup cans on the shelf of a shop. Soumya put 7 more cans on the shelf. How many cans are there on the shelf together? Now these are put by Lena. Okay, these are put by Lena. First let us count these. 1, 2. Let me take another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did Lena keep? Lena kept 9. Lena kept 9 shelves. 9 cans on the shelf. Again what did Soumya do? Soumya put 7 more cans. Soumya put 7 more cans. Now how many cans are there all together? Again add these two numbers. 9 plus 7 gives us 16. So the correct answer is what? Option D 16. Understood children? We counted the number of cans put up by Lena and then added the cans put up by Soumya. The total is option D 16. So 16 cans are there on the shelf. Moving on. If one block represents 5 and 2 blocks represent 20, then which of the following represent 25? Yes children, 25 plus 10. Now see here 2 blocks is equals to 10, right? So in the question the blocks are given in terms of 10 and 5. So we'll split this 25 also as 10 and 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 25, right? 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 5 25, and then we are having another 10 in the question. So what do we understand from this? We understand that there are 3 10s and 1 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Yes. Now 10 means 2 blocks. 10 means 2 blocks. Again another 10. 2 blocks. Again 2 blocks and 5. So which option here is the same as this? 3 blocks of 10 and 1 block of 5. Option C. Yes, 3 blocks of 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Yes, children. Now 25 plus 10 is also equal to 35, right? We can directly answer like this, or again 25 plus 10 is equals to 35. Here the values are 10, 10, 5, 5. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. And 25 plus 10 is equals to 30. Now option A is 30. This is 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. This is what we got, 35. And option D is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now which of the given options is equal to 35? Option C. So the correct answer is option C, 35. Understood, children? Yes. Option C, 35 represents 25 plus 10. Next question. Find the missing number in the following addition. Now see, this is a very simple question. 129 plus 735 is equals to 8, 6 dash. Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 5. Now what is 9 plus 5 equal to, children? 9 plus 5 is equals to 16. So 6 will write here and 1 gets carried. See, what did we get answer here? We got the answer as 6. Which of the options reads as 6? Option B. So option B, 6 is the correct answer for this. Yes, it was very easy, right? Yes. Coming to the last question. Sonia puts exactly 5 marbles in each of the vessels shown below. How many marbles has she used in all? She puts exactly 5 marbles, it seems, in each of the vessels. Now let us count the number of vessels first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. There are 12 vessels and there are 5 marbles in each. There are 12 vessels and 5 marbles in each. Now how many marbles has she used in all? What is the total number of marbles she used? Now there are two ways to solve this. First way is, as we need to count 5 12 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus so on. We need to count 5 12 times and get the answer. Or simply what can we do is, we can multiply 12 with 5. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. You can simply multiply 12 with 5. Why means multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Instead of adding 5 12 times, see, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, so it becomes a big process, right? So instead of adding 5 12 times, we simply multiply 5 with 12. Yes, we simply multiply 5 with 12. Now 12 5s are 60. So the answer for this question is option A, 60. Sonia used 60 marbles in all. Understood, children? See, this is how we solve this question. Why did we multiply? Because multiplication is nothing but repeated addition.